How about some of the most dramatic Formula One team-in-team crashes of all time? You have to watch the video until the end to see the last crash. The first crash occurred between Vettel and Leclerc at the 2019 Brazilian GP.
Right back, Leclerc made it very tough earlier. For the, oh no, he's got a puncture. They made contact, and Charles Leclerc's got a puncture caused by contact with his teammate Sebastian Vettel.
Both drivers pushed the limits of the car and the track, and this altercation proved costly for them.
Puncture, what the hell is he doing? Sorry. Puncture. Mine! Go put the side!
Sebastian Vettel seems to have lost his temper after that contact and looks quite upset. The second teammate involved in the crash was Max Verstappen and Daniel Ricciardo. Daniel's big mistake cost both drivers points, and the team bosses were furious.
Oh, it's with Danny's.
But he's going to try and dive down. And suddenly have crashed. They've gone into each other. Daniel Ricciardo late braking, couldn't stop in time. Max Verstappen was right in front of him.
I don't want to talk about it. It's bad for the team, and I think that's already bad enough.
Max seems absolutely right about this. Ricciardo looks like he made a huge amateur mistake. The next crash is the collision between Vettel and Weber at Istanbul Park. In the meantime, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video if you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more F1 content.
Weber's left the door wide open.
Oh dear, they've come together! Weber and Vettel have come together. That's Vettel going out, Weber going out. What was going on there? Through goes Jenson Button, ahead goes Lewis Hamilton. The two Red Bulls connect, out goes Sebastian Vettel, and Hamilton and Button push on for McLaren.
When Vettel and Weber reached the straight, Vettel attempted to gain position by swerving inwards and outwards, which led to their crash. Following the contact, Vettel suffered a tire puncture and went off the track.
Then I've got to say that there was no need for Sebastian to be pulling right there. He had the position, and there will be a lot of frustration in that Red Bull debrief after the race.
I'm giving that 100% Vettel's fault.
Vettel was so angry that he got out of the car, took off his helmet, and the first thing he did was make a hand gesture at Weber that meant he is crazy.
Dive down on the inside, had the corner, was on the left and on the inside, so I was just trying to focus on the braking point, and all of a sudden I lost the car.
Now it's time to talk about two Formula One champions. Hamilton and Rosberg crashed after the start of the Spanish GP.
That's round turn 3 we go, and it's Nico Rosberg, and Hamilton's onto the grass, and Hamilton's had a massive crash, and he's crashed into his teammate. The two Mercedes come together.
And I saw him coming, so I closed the door, to defend my position, because that was my race to win. I was gaining on him by 17 k's an hour. Yeah, there was a smaller gap on the left than it was the right, so I went for the right one. So, and the next thing is him spinning on the grass and taking me out.
It must have been a really big problem for Mercedes, and considering the statements, both sides see themselves as justified. The last accident would be the one where Formula One legends Senna and Prost collided on the Japanese track during their season racing for Honda.
Martin Senna, has he got something up his sleeve, or will he try something?
That Senna's looking for, and he's going through, out! Oh my goodness, this is fantastic! This is what we were fearing might happen during the race. And that means to say that Prost has won the World Championship.
This race was so important that the winner would be determined as champion, but unfortunately both drivers were eliminated. This accident involving two legends might be the most dramatic team crash ever. We've reached the end of another video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out the short videos on the channel. See you soon, Apex Grid followers.